Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Scribd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on the language options button. And here you can set your preferred language. There are a lot of options, and if you choose one, then just click on the OK button, and your language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.